Essentially, if you running a business and people come on your page and want to ask you a lot of questions, you can simply create a small section where you could simply input questions, and you could set up an automatic replies. So essentially here you could simply create very and like automatic replies to the people, like the automatic response. Next option will be response suggestion. You can simply link and give permissions to other shops to run the profile and to run the pages. This is very cool because you could simply link up to 5 shops. So if you have 5 different stores, this is very helpful, simply because now you could simply cross post or cross promote from one shop to another. And now if somebody buys product 1, you can promote in products 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can essentially get 5 sales from one customer simply by having all the shops linked together.